Welcome to Homework Lib.
To determine whether NASCAR is enough evidence to reject the manufacturer's claim about the new race car engine, we can perform a hypothesis test for the difference in proportions. If we let P1 be the proportion of engine failures due to overheating for the new engine and P2 for the old engines, then the null hypothesis is that P1 is less than or equal to P2, and our alternative is that P1 is greater than P2. The test statistic for the difference proportions is the difference between the sample proportions over the square root of the pooled proportion times 1 minus the pooled proportion times 1 over their sample sizes. And let's get things down here before we substitute. P hat 1 would be the 11 out of 125. P hat 2 would be the 7 out of 95. The pooled proportion would be the 18 out of 125 plus 95 is 220. And so our test statistic would be 11 out of the 125 minus 7 out of the 95 over the square root of 18 out of 220 times 1 minus 18 out of 220 times 1 over 125 plus 1 over 95. Let me get this to 3 decimal places. .384, and the critical value for a significance of 0.05. And this is right-tailed is 1.645, which this is less than. So when our test statistic is not more extreme than our critical, then we fail to reject the null hypothesis. We do not have sufficient evidence. So for that last question, it would be your second choice.